Hello, friends, and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub. And in today's lecture, we are going to learn continuous future tense. Until now, we have learned five tenses, and today it's the number of sixth tense, continuous future tense. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update. And I would also like to request the new viewers on our channel that they should start learning from the very first lecture so that they don't miss any important lecture and they can understand and learn things step by step gradually. So here we have the sixth tense, continuous future tense, and the positive negative formula are there on your screen at the moment. You can write down all the things that you can see. Subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object, that is positive sentence formation. And in negative sentence formation, subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object. So far the usage of shall is concerned, it is used traditionally with I and we, the first person singular and plural. However, it is not used in contemporary communications, and therefore we are not going to use shall ever. In all the practicing sentences of future tenses, we will use only will, so that you should note about. The verb ing form is also used in all the continuous tenses. So that is it for all the small things of this tense. Please refer to our lecture number 12 to revise from the very first tense, simple present tense, so that you can revise and re-revise the lectures. Let's move on to the next screen, guys, for the practice sentences. And our practice sentences are designed in such a way that they represent a short story. So the first sentence is that I will be preparing to go to study at the USA. So we are practicing continuous future tense, that's why all the sentences would be of future. So I will not be preparing to settle down in the USA. All the negative sentences are are designed in such a way that they don't change the meaning of positive sentences. Next sentence, my friend in the US will be waiting for me to come. My friend in the US will not be waiting for others. So here we have talked about my friend who lives in USA as well. So that's it. The third one, we both will be visiting various exciting places there. We both will not be visiting isolated places there. What we will be doing right together. I will be making new friends after going to the college. What I will do, I won't be making new friends after leaving the college. Once we leave the college and we join work or business or profession, we have colleagues, we have no friends. We may have friendly behavior and relationship with them, but they are not our friends, they are our colleagues. So once we leave the college, we stop making new friends. I won't be making new friends after leaving the college. I'll be making new friends after going to the college. So total 10 sentences I am going to give you, and you will have to make n number of sentences on your own so that you can practice as much as possible. Fifth sentence, I will be doing all the work on my own. As you know that in foreign countries away from our family, we have to do all the things on our own. There is no one to assist us. I will not be doing all the work with the help of others, right? I will be learning to live life well by living in the US. I won't be learning to live life carelessly, right? So we also know the fact that in mainly Western countries, I mean, they follow the rules and regulations very strictly. They honor everything. They also take care of nature a lot. So all these good things I'll be learning while living there. So good thoughts are being implanted as well, and our practice sentences that you make after this lecture should be in the conformity of these sentences as well. They must be like these sentences. The US government will be giving the graduates H1B. The US government won't be giving the tourist H1B. So the H1B visas, the visa category of H1B is for tourists, is for graduates only, not for the tourist. So uh, you can understand that how the sentences are formed. Next sentence, they will be getting good jobs after giving interviews. So once you get H1B, post getting the visa or pre getting the visa, you need to get a job. So the the way of getting jobs is clearing or cracking the interviews and not references. So positive negative sentences, you must note the differences between those two sentences in all the examples. The government there will be verifying before granting visas. The government won't be ignoring facts before granting visas. So in negative, many times I have written want. Want is the abbreviated form of the would not. So would not stands for will not, and that is also the way of writing things. 10th and last sentence on our lecture today: our government will be cooperating with the US government. Our government will not be fighting with the US government. So all these things happen, and I hope these sentences would be really beneficial for you guys. And you need to write down all these 10 sentences into your notes so that revise and re-revise them. You need to also make many more sentences like those and practice the skills and information that you have gained on our channel. We will be back in next lecture with more information, useful information. Until then, don't forget to comment and like our videos. Also subscribe our channel and forward and share it to your friends and family so that they get an opportunity to learn English skills step by step. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. Thank you.